Hello everyone, my name is Qazi Tawhid Hussain. I am a student of La Trobe University. I am studying in Bandura campus, Melbourne, Australia. I am doing my Master of Engineering Management course here. Here I am going to present the challenges, sustainability, regulations, and environmental practice in electronics industry. In this slide, I will discuss about challenges that the electronic industry is facing. So as you know, COVID-19 was a big challenge for every industry. Every industry faced a common challenge, that is COVID-19 pandemic. Due to pandemic, electronic industry suffered as well like the other industry. Now the one is like order cancellation. Due to COVID-19, a major amount of order cancelled from dealers and retailers. That was a big challenge to overcome for the industry. High inventory holding cost is one of the big issues. The quantitative investigation reveals that overstock in finished goods inventory, low in customer demands, increased high inventory holding costs, and lack of transportation are the operational challenges during COVID-19. One more challenge is waste management of electronic industry. That is a big issue now. With rapid advancements in technology, the evolution and demand for electronic devices have drastically increased. The exponential increase in the use of technology to fulfill the needs of the fast-paced information era has led to electronic and electrical devices being discarded or disposed of at a faster rate than in the past. This phenomenon has resulted in e-waste becoming the fastest growing form of solid waste. E-waste is classified as hazardous waste and can be harmful to the environment and health if not disposed of responsibly. Therefore, alternatives such as exporting, landfilling, and are of interest to minimize the disposal of this toxic waste from into landfill sites. The next slide is regulations. Now in this regulation slide, I will share two most common regulation which is important for our future generation. First one is environmental regulation. My example is China, tech giant of the industry. Frankly saying, China is the country having boom on electronics industry and they did not care about our environment. However, it is also facing severe environmental pollution. China seemed to follow the development model of growth first, cleaning up later in the past, and thus environmental protection has given way to economic growth. In recent years, China has strengthened environmental regulations in order to address environmental problems now they are facing. Though it is late, but they now understand the value of our environment. This industry considerably affected by environmental regulation policies due to their high pollution emissions, which may change the production cost or even production permits. But this regulation is for our own goods. Second is sustainability regulation. Environmental regulations often raise costs for businesses, divert funds from technological innovation inputs and other investment expenditure, hinder the technological progress of enterprises, and reduce corporate profit margins as well. Environmental regulations are detrimental to the growth of production. Sustainability regulation comes after the uses of electronics product. So it's not affecting the production, but it is for sustainable waste management, which is again for the good of our environment. Next slide, we will discuss more about sustainability. Speaking about sustainability and environmental practice. Firstly, I'm going to speak about top management role. The top management has the highest priority to have practice of sustainability. The willingness from the management in implementing sustainable production was ranked to be the most important factor. Since every business and strategic decision, is taken by the people at top, the administration level. That's why it's important, the top management role. Second thing I want to discuss about remanufactured, refurbished product. Nowadays, refurbished and reused product is very popular because of less price, but this is a strategy to reduce e-waste, and seller gives warranty as well to all consumers. Customers are also now very common with using such product. So this is a very good business strategy to adapt sustainability and environmental practice. It's really appreciable. Lastly, recycle to use as raw materials, small e-waste items also contain critical elements are received as less attention in the waste of electronic equipment streams, such as gas discharge lamps. Small electronic trash is a crucial materials and might help in determining opportunities for estimating recycling amounts and formulating treatment strategies. So these are the practices industry is adopting. Next is our references slide. These are the references you can see. These are the supporting documents for my presentation. Now, if you have any question regarding this presentation, you can ask me. I would love to answer your questions. Thank you.